In this video, I'll show you how to use the Instant Translate on-screen app step by step. This guide is made for beginners, so don't worry if this is your first time using a screen translation tool. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the search bar, type Instant Translate on Screen and install the app. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch it. When you open the app for the first time, it will ask for several permissions. These permissions are very important for the app to work. You will need to allow display over other apps or draw over other apps. This lets the translator appear on top of any app you are using. You may also be asked to enable accessibility service. Turn this on when prompted. This allows the app to read text from your screen. After granting permissions, return to the app. On the main screen, you'll see language options. Choose your source language, which is the language you want to translate from. Then select your target language, which is the language you want to translate into. Now you'll see a floating button or bubble icon appear on your screen. This is the translation tool. You can drag this bubble anywhere on the screen. Next, when you see text you don't understand, tap the floating translate bubble. The app will scan the text currently visible on your screen and instantly show the translation in a small pop-up window. Some apps also highlight the text areas that were translated. If the translation doesn't appear correctly, you can adjust the capture area. Some versions let you select a specific part of the screen to translate. Just drag the selection box over the text you want. There is usually a settings section inside the app. Tap the gear or settings icon to customize features like translation speed, text recognition mode, floating button size, or automatic translation. When you're done using the translator, you can turn off the floating bubble by going back into the app and disabling the service. That's it. You now know how to use the Instant Translate on-screen app to translate text from anywhere on your phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.